Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be making a Nightmare Before Christmas wreath with a decal from Amazon and some supplies from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I started with this mesh from Dollar Tree. I used 3 rolls of this black mesh and I cut 18 strips at 24 inches. I also used 3 rolls of this white mesh, also from Dollar Tree, and same thing, 18 strips cut down at 24 inches. I also used some black tulle from Dollar Tree, just use 1 roll, cut 9 strips at 12 inches. Same with this white tulle from Dollar Tree, 9 strips cut at 12 inches. I then take this ribbon from Hobby Lobby and cut strips of 7 inches, and I did that with both patterns, and I need 9 of each pattern. Then I just trim up the ends. I then take pipe cleaners and add them to my 14-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree. I put 1 on the 3rd ring, 1 on the 2nd ring, and then another on the 3rd ring. And I use 2 different colors depending on what type of mesh I will be putting on the pipe cleaner. I'm starting with the black one. Take 1 of the mesh pieces, roll the ends, and then kind of just walk my fingers, gathering it until I have it all bunched up into like a ruffle. Add it to the pipe cleaner and give it a twist. Do 1 more bunch of the mesh. Just make sure to roll those ends so you don't have fraying on them. Twist it in the pipe cleaner. Added my black tulle on top of that one. Using the same process, rolling the ends and then gathering it in the center. Then take my ribbon that has more black in it, pinch it in the center and add it in the pipe cleaner. Twist it a few times and cut off the excess. Next, for the white pipe cleaner and the white bundle, I do the same process, roll the ends, gather it until it's one big ruffle. Add that to the center of the pipe cleaner and give it a twist. And then 1 more set of mesh. And then I add in the white tulle and then the ribbon that has more white on it. So I kind of wanted just to alternate all the way around, black and white throughout the whole thing. You'll need 3 bunches within each section, and you'll alternate 2 on one ring and then 1 on another ring. So I'm doing the last bunch on this section, which is another black set. Once I have that section filled in, I had started with white this time and on the 2nd ring because the last section ended on the 3rd ring. So 1 white one on the 2nd, 1 black one on the 3rd, another white one on the 2nd. So you'll just alternate that throughout. After I had it all filled in, I took this 6.5-inch wood round that I got from Hobby Lobby, painted it with one coat of black chalk paint by Folkart, and I covered that front, back, and sides. After it was completely dry, I took this Jack decal I got from Amazon. It's about 5.5 inches. It's kind of like a rub-on transfer. I just pushed that down on there and kind of peeled it up, just pushing down on the backing as I went, just to make sure I didn't pull any of it up. To attach it to my wreath, I took a piece of ribbon and cut it so it was wider than the entire wreath. Centered the Jack plaque on there, and then just found the center, put some hot glue, and placed down my plaque. Flipped it over and hot glued that entire piece of ribbon that's touching the circle. Just used my finger protector to attach that. Placed it on the center of the wreath and tucked the excess ribbon on that center loop. Just pulled apart the mesh bundles, tucked that through, and then flipped it over. And the excess ribbon that's wrapped around the wreath frame, I just hot glue to the back of the plaque. And that is it for this wreath. Thank you guys so much for watching.